Is your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra getting too hot? Overheating can slow down your phone, drain the battery, and even cause long-term damage. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple and effective ways to keep your phone cool and running smoothly. Before we fix the issue, let's understand what causes it. Playing heavy games or using demanding apps for long periods. Recording videos at high resolution for an extended time. Using your phone while charging, especially with non-original chargers. Keeping multiple features like 5G, Bluetooth, and GPS on at the same time. Apps running in the background, using up CPU and battery. Now, let's go over the best way to turn on power saving mode. Go to Settings, Battery, and Device Care Battery Power Saving Mode to reduce power usage and ease the load on your processor. 2. Close background apps. Swipe up and close unused apps from recent apps and check for power-hungry apps in Settings apps. 3. Optimize display settings. Lower your screen brightness and set the refresh rate to 60 Hz to reduce heat buildup. 4. Avoid using your phone while charging. Using your phone while charging generates extra heat. Always use an original Samsung charger for safe charging. 5. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install any available updates. Samsung often fixes overheating issues with software improvements. 6. Remove your phone case. Thick cases can trap heat. If your phone is overheating, try using it without a case for a while. 7. Factory reset as a last resort. If nothing works, you might need to do a factory reset. Just make sure to back up your important data first. By following these steps, you can keep your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cool and running at its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.